Understanding the industrial standards in the oil and gas sector. When we talk about industrial standards, we're referring to globally recognized guidelines designed to ensure the quality, safety, and efficiency of products, processes, and services across a wide range of industries. These standards evolve and undergo revisions periodically and take into account the industry developments and matured technologies. The respective standards committee proposes changes only after a thorough review and adequate testing in the industry, and only proven and workable recommendations are adopted as part of the standard. In the oil and gas sector, these standards are crucial. They help to mitigate risks, promote consistency, and protect both people and the environment. Key organizations like the American Petroleum Institute, API, the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, and the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ASME, are at the forefront of developing and maintaining these standards. As digital technologies and data analytics become more integrated into the industry, these organizations constantly evolve their standards to keep up. Their goal is to ensure that safety, efficiency, and compliance are always at the highest level, protecting the plant, environment, and human life. Let's dive into the key functions of industrial standards. 1. Safety and reliability. When it comes to safety, industrial standards are our lifeline. Industrial standards ensure that the system and equipment can handle even the toughest conditions, significantly reducing the chances of accidents or operational failures. Without these standards, we'd be flying blind in hazardous situations. 2. Interoperability. Imagine trying to put together pieces of a puzzle from different sets. That's where industrial standards come in. They help ensure that components from different manufacturers fit together seamlessly, making global supply chains work like a well-lubricated machine. 3. Regulatory compliance. These standards, when adopted by a government, become a regulation, and it is mandatory to follow them by the industry members and operators. Meeting these standards isn't just about following the rules, it's about protecting human life and our environment. Plus, by staying compliant with both regional and international regulations, over the years companies can avoid costly failures, related legal hurdles, and related penal fines down the road. In short, industrial standards are the backbone of safety, efficiency, and smooth operations in today's complex and interconnected world. Let's take a look at some of the major standards widely used in the oil and gas sector. 1. API standards. When it comes to the oil and gas sector, API standards leave no stone unturned. 1. They cover everything from drilling operations to pipeline safety, all the way through to refining processes, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. 2. ISO standards. ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 are truly a blessing in disguise for the oil and gas industry. 2. These standards help reduce the environmental impact by leaps and bounds while keeping the quality and sustainability of the planet at the forefront. 3. ASME standards. ASME codes are the backbone of design, construction, and inspection in this sector. 3. They ensure that systems can handle operational challenges without breaking a sweat, providing the industry with a solid foundation of safety and reliability. Each of these standards plays a crucial role in keeping the oil and gas industry running smoothly and safely through the decades to come. API 580. Risk-based inspection. Have you ever wondered how businesses in the oil and gas sector determine which equipment or piping system needs inspection first? Risk-based inspection, RBI, is a well-thought-out method, not just a haphazard attempt. When it comes to prioritizing inspection chores depending on which piping system or equipment is most likely to fail, think of RBI as your reliable guide. This approach isn't just about being vigilant, it's also about making informed decisions that safeguard the environment, productivity, and safety. What then is the secret to this strategy? That is the purpose of API 580. Consider API 580 to be RBI's playbook. It is crammed with instructions that define the proper way to conduct inspections, ensuring that they are comprehensive and efficient. Let's examine this framework's operation and the reasons it's revolutionary. 1. Creating a robust framework. First, API 580 provides a methodical framework for risk assessment and the creation of comprehensive inspection schedules. 1. This framework makes sure we're focusing on the correct parts, whether they're tanks, pipe systems, or pressure vessels. 2. Critical gear spotlight. Have you ever wondered how inspectors determine where to start their search? 2. Operators can identify piping systems or equipment that is most likely to fail by using API 580. 2. It functions similarly to a checklist by highlighting possible problems before they become serious ones. 3. Keeping everything in tidy. API 580 is all about preserving the authenticity of your resources. 3. It aids in preventing unplanned breakdowns by recommending the appropriate kinds and intervals of inspections. 3. This results in lower repair costs and downtime, which is beneficial. 4. Increasing safety and compliance. Adhering to API 580 guarantees that safety rules are being met in addition to keeping operations operating efficiently. 4. This makes the workplace safer by lowering the likelihood of hazardous events like explosions or leaks. 5. Tool for decision making. Consider API 580 as a tool to help you make decisions. 5. It assists you in determining when to replace or repair equipment or piping systems by continuously assessing their risk profile. 5. This ensures that you're always making decisions based on reliable information. In a nutshell, API 580 makes sure you're always on the correct track to preserving efficiency and safety during your inspection activities by acting as a roadmap and giving guidance for establishing a risk-based inspection framework. The next time you hear about RBI, you will understand that it is a carefully thought-out plan supported by sound principles, not merely a tactic. Timeline of revisions: key changes, conclusions, summary of evolution. 1. First edition. Introduced the basic RBI framework and principles. 2. Second edition. Broadened applicability, improved inspection planning, and refined POF/COF explanations. 3. Third edition. Enhanced integration with API 581 and detailed quantitative analysis. 4. Fourth edition. Focused on digital integration, data quality, and human factors. 5. Fifth edition. Addressed modern challenges like cybersecurity, expanded QRAs, and advanced inspection techniques. The evolution of API 580 from the first to the fifth edition emphasizes the necessity of continual improvement in risk-based inspection (RBI) methods. Each iteration has included technical developments, digital integration, and cybersecurity safeguards to ensure that industries remain current with the evolving landscape of risk management. These standards are not merely recommendations, but also critical instruments for improving safety, lowering costs, and optimizing operations. They represent a key transition toward data-driven, risk-based decision-making, which is more important than ever. Adopting these upgraded standards requires taking advantage of new technology, strengthening inspection methods, and protecting against growing risks like cybersecurity threats. However, data quality, technology acceptance, and initial capital commitments are all significant difficulties. Companies must take proactive steps to train their employees, upgrade infrastructure, and adjust to an increasingly digitally dependent world. To summarize, the updated API 580 requirements provide the potential for growth and safety, but they must also be carefully planned and implemented. Companies that can effectively adjust to these developments will be in a strong position to increase operational performance and maintain asset integrity in a highly competitive market. I encourage readers to look deeper into the intricacies of these adjustments and consider how they may be adapted to individual organizational requirements. By being informed and up to date, industries may use the API 580 standards' potential to drive safety, reduce risk, and boost long-term sustainability. I encourage you to go deeper into the realm of API 580. Whether through training sessions, workshops, or more reading, investing time in this topic will surely pay dividends. Stay ahead of the curve and gain the insights you need to properly handle the complexity of risk management. Exploring this topic further can equip you with the tools and knowledge you need to improve your risk assessment processes and protect the safety of your assets. Happy exploring. Happy learning. Fuel future. Save Earth. Stay safe.